Okay, hey everybody, it's James Wright from the Office of Marketing and Communications here at Avila University, and today we're talking with Dave Armstrong. Everybody knows and loves Dave. Say hi, Dave.
Hi, Dave.
All right, we're gonna walk down to the Centennial Garden, and if you didn't know, there is a garden down the hill here, and Dave's going to tell us why it is and why we do it and what it's all about and what we're trying to get out of it.
We wanted it to go along with our 100th anniversary. At that time, we called it the Centennial Garden, and we got together and we made 4 boxes our first time out 2 years ago. And then
Boxes. What do you mean boxes?
Well, you'll see them here in bed. I call them boxes. A lot of people call them beds. Is our garden beds.
Oh, I see. So where are we here? We're right behind Wiley Hall, aren't we? And these are the garden beds down here, the boxes.
Behind there you see is our orchard. Those are all fruit trees.
Oh, very cool.
Now, Jordan Waggy and Nicole Escabel, they've kind of taken that on as their project to take care of those fruit trees.
Right.
It takes about 3 years for them to start producing an amount of fruit that we can then, the whole intention is about 95% of all of this is given. We take it down to the Christ the King food pantry.
Now, when you say fruit, I'm going to get like oranges and bananas and mangoes.
They're apples and pears.
Okay.
and I can't remember the particular variety. Like I say, Jordan and Nicole know all of those.
And that's
things.
those trees back there.
Yeah, those trees right back there.
Because
exactly.
apples and oranges, they grow on trees.
Exactly.
Isn't that right? So what are in these beds here?
These are cabbage, and as you see, the cabbage is doing okay. It's getting clobbered by some bugs. We try to do everything organic at this point.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're still learning. We're none of us are green thumbers. We're just kind of learning the ropes as we do this.
Figuring it out as you go along.
Over here we have tomatoes this year, and we were able to harvest about 400 pounds of food that we were able to give away to the food pantry this year. And so it's been fun. For me, it's been kind of cathartic. We got several people that come down. We have a watering schedule during the summer. They'll come down and water. We have mustard greens over here, carrots. We're discovering that more of our peppers and our tomatoes are the way to go. The other things just aren't. Oh, and we had a big crop of sweet potatoes.
Now, when you say the food pantry, so students and faculty are all getting involved.
Yeah. So the Tri Beta Club, that's their box there, and they did jalapeno peppers and tomatoes and some other things.
And which pantry are we talking about?
Christ the King food pantry is where we like it. Although sometimes we'll go to the South Kansas City Community Services as well, just depending.
So
but
that's
they're very grateful, and they say their clients are very grateful to
giving
get
back
fresh
to the dear neighbor.
Exactly.
How long you been doing this? How many years?
This is our second year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just our second year.
Yeah, and so if students want to get involved, what do they do?
They come talk to me. You'll see we got these berry vines right in here too. So we got some raspberries and some blueberries, and basically not enough to really give away, but enough to where we could come down.
Oh yeah.
And pick them off just like that.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Now, if students get involved with the garden, how much are they paid an hour?
Ha! They're paid in grace.
Oh, okay. So we're here at the Centennial Garden. Dave Armstrong sort of heads it up, and he's telling us all about it. And if that's something that you're concerned about and you want to help out with, come on over and see Dave in Carondelet, and he'll show you how to get involved.